First at 5. From the University of Florida, covering Gainesville, Ocala, and the University of Florida. This is WUFT News, First at 5.
Hundreds of protesters gathered at the Bo Diddley Plaza today in hopes of amending the Constitution. Good evening, I'm Sonica Donge.
And I'm Zach Aldridge. The Occupy movement is moving to the courts. WUFT's Stephanie Bashara shows us how protesters in Gainesville are fighting for what they call ending corporate rule.
The booing and the cheering all describe what Occupy the Courts is all about. A year ago today, the United States Supreme Court ruled that because of the First Amendment, the government could not limit the amount of money unions and corporations spent on political purposes. Through this one-day occupation of federal courts across the country, protesters hope to overrule the controversial Citizens United versus the Federal Election Commission ruling.
And I think it's a great opportunity for Move to Amend to tell people who we are. I think a lot of people are concerned about this issue, but don't know that we have a local vehicle to get involved.
This national movement to amend the Constitution is known as Move to Amend. Today, protesters are getting together in more than 130 cities, Gainesville included. Organizers led an event filled with speakers, singers, and skits at the Bo Diddley Plaza this afternoon.
We think we do have solutions if we work together and we don't allow this to go unchallenged. But I can't say where it's going to go, but it's not going away, I can tell you that.
Occupy the Courts was inspired by the ongoing Occupy Wall Street movement in hopes to stop corporations from donating large sums of financial contributions to political candidates running for office. Gainesville protesters say they will not rest until they are heard. Stephanie Bichara, WUFT News.
Time to teach a new way.
Later this afternoon, protesters marched to the Gainesville Federal Courthouse in order to symbolize what they are fighting for.